Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Montreal. Today we're at Centennial Park. Today we're also going to be visiting a few Jamaican food places and doing a Jamaican food tour. I hope you keep watching, subscribe, comment and like, and make sure to keep watching this video. Right over there they're having a soccer game. We're gonna go walk by there and check it out. And over there they're doing a little pickup basketball. I love these types of trees down over there.
They're everywhere. Holy crap. Fish for real. These people are fishing on Insta.
We've explored Centennial Park, walked around, and watched a little soccer game. And now we're gonna head up another Jamaican restaurant. Stay tuned. The first Jamaican restaurant we're gonna be visiting is called Pimentos. And everything that we're going to is in Montreal. This is our first time in Montreal and we're happy to come here and visit and check out all the good Jamaican food places. Jerk chickens, and how much was it? $30? It was around $30, and they said it's a 5 to 10 minute wait, so we're just Pimentos in Montreal right now. It's a Jamaican food place. Let's go. I saw online that it said they have sorrel, which is a Jamaican drink, and I asked for it and they said they were sold out, so we didn't get any drinks, but the food looks pretty good. It comes with coleslaw and plantain and rice and what else? Macaroni as well. So should be good. Let's try it out. This is the best angle that I could set this up in. It came in a paper bag with cutlery. Let's check it out. Alright. This looks like maybe dressing or gravy. Hold on, let me yes. So it's coleslaw, jerk chicken, festival, plantain, and rice and peas. Let's try it out. Try the coleslaw first. Coleslaw is my favorite thing. It's good. It's not like the best coleslaw. It has I think honey mustard in it, along with mayo maybe, but I've never had coleslaw with honey mustard before. Alright, let's try plantain. The plantain. That's good. It's cooked good. It's not green and hard, so it's good. Let's try the festival now. In my opinion, the festival could be sweeter, but because I like it sweeter, but the festival is soft and fresh, so it tastes good. Let's try the rice.
Oh, there's dark sauce.
It's better than most that I've had. It does taste a little spicy too. Okay, now the jerk chicken. Now that's the star of the show. That's really good. If you put a bite of everything on the fork and eat it, it'll taste real good. Alright, I'm gonna go finish this up. For our dinner spot, we went to a place called Maison du Carré des Caribes. It's French, and I don't speak French, so I try my best. But I just went through this on TikTok, because if you want to see my TikTok, go on TikTok. It's FitnessGal98. I posted the full review there, but this is an after review of it, right? So we went in, we looked around, we tried to order an oxtail and a stew chicken, right? Stew chicken dinner. And she said that she didn't have any stew chicken, she had stew turkey. So we're like, whatever, we're not big fans of turkey, but alright, let's get stew turkey and a plate of oxtail with everything that comes with it. They weren't friendly off the bat. She was very like, I don't know what you call it, mundane, very nonchalant. I don't know what you call it, but they didn't even greet us. They were just standing there waiting for the order. But that's whatever, that's fine. I don't care as long as I get my food and go. So we ordered the oxtail and the stew turkey and a beef patty, and we saw the guy making rotis, like fresh rotis on the stove top or whatever they make it on, the flat top. And we asked the lady, we say, hey, can we get one of those just on the side, just the roti by itself? And she declined and said that they don't sell them by themselves right now, which I don't understand why. If you're making it and you're selling food, why not sell the roti by itself if that's what we want? But yeah, it's her store, it's up to her, I guess. So we just got our food, got our drink, the ting drink, and it was pretty sad. So I'm gonna show you right now, because I already kind of ate most of it. But the oxtail was alright, except it was mostly bone. Like 4 out of like the 6 pieces that were there were just bone, and there was like little tiny bits of oxtail, like little shreds with gravy that was on top of the rice. The vegetables were good that were in the plate. The rice was not good at all. It had some weird fragrance to it. Maybe it's from their culture, I don't know, but I've had lots of rice and peas in my lifetime, and I've never had rice and peas that taste like that. It didn't taste good, and it smelled different, I'd say. Not good. The stew turkey, my phone storage got filled, so I have to use another phone. But the stew turkey was so weak. It had like 3 pieces of stewed turkey in there, same rice that wasn't good, and same vegetables that were alright. And for $21 for a plate of oxtail, and however much it was, like 16 or 18 bucks for the stewed turkey, like, at least fill the plate up right and make it good, you know what I mean? But that was disappointing for me to have that food for dinner. I would have rather just gotten pimentos twice today, honestly. I thought Montreal would have way better options for Caribbean food, but so far, it's mediocre. Like, if you guys know any Caribbean places in Montreal or the surrounding area that is really good, and like for jerk chicken they actually cook it, or like they jerk it in the pan, let me know in the comments. Let me know down below if you know a better place than Pimentos and Maison du Carré, whatever it's called. Alright, next stop, I think we're gonna go get some ice cream and a drink maybe. We'll see how the night goes. I'll show you guys that later. Bye!
It's the moon.
Oh, we just went to the ice cream shop here in Montreal, and I got myself a a swirl cone with vanilla and chocolate, dipped in chocolate with peanuts on the outside of the cone. Let's try. That's not crunchy. I thought it was gonna be crunchy. It's good though. Good. 8 out of 10. I think I overdid it, you guys. This was too much. It's really good though. And honestly, the staff were really nice. They only spoke French, but they tried their best to speak English to us, and they did really well. It was funny. We were both laughing, but yeah, it was good. This ice cream is really good. It reminds me of like Costco soft serve. Yeah.